Hi everyone, my name is Lexi Marcella and today I am working with Aveda and we are bringing you my wash day for dry curly hair. So let's jump into the video. So I am starting out with using the Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo. And if you have thick hair like I do, I would recommend sectioning your hair off because that'll make sure that you get the shampoo throughout all of your hair and cover the entirety of your scalp. So I absolutely love this shampoo because it's formulated with babasu and coconut derived ingredients that deeply yet gently cleanse the hair without stripping it. And you know, if you have curly hair, you definitely want to keep all the oils, but yet you want your scalp to be clean. So as you can tell from the title, it smells so good, and I absolutely love Aveda products because they have no synthetic fragrances. So if you have a scalp that's sensitive like mine, this is going to be great for you and it is not going to irritate your scalp. And did I mention it smells delicious? So after I rinse that out, I'm going to move on to conditioning, and I am using the Cherry Almond Softening Conditioner. Now this conditioner is naturally derived with cherry blossom extract, almond oil, and certified organic shea butter. And my curls love shea butter. Shea butter is just so moisturizing to the hair and it helps really clump the curls and make them pop, which I love and I need. So I mostly focus conditioner like this on my ends, and it is truly a softening conditioner. This is a step normally where I like to detangle my curls with a lot of conditioner in it, and this conditioner helps with detangling. It really just melted away my knots, as you guys are seeing, which was like a must for me in a conditioner, and this definitely delivered. So I like to push my hair out the way so I kind of just twist it up so I can move on to the next section. And I pretty much repeat the same steps over and over until all of my hair is thoroughly saturated with conditioner. After that, I rinse with cool or cold water as I can stand it and move on to styling. To style my hair, I'm going to be using the Brilliant Universal Styling Cream with jojoba. Now this is a really rich cream, but it's formulated to help define curls and also seal in moisture. So it's absolutely great to use right after the shower when your hair is wet. So you can apply this product on top of wet hair and then that'll help seal in the moisture. I personally love to scrunch my hair because that helps define my curls. And you also want to apply this to damp or wet hair, so don't be afraid to bring out that spray bottle to help re-wet your curls. So this is about the size I'm using for this section of hair, but you can go heavy-handed or light-handed, but this is such an amazing product. And a little tip, I like to sometimes brush the product through my hair only to really help make sure that all of my hair is really saturated. So sometimes what I like to do is get a little bit more product and distribute it through my hair just to really massage it into my hair and make sure my hair is fully saturated with product, because that always gives me the best results. And then I'm just going to repeat those same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Now, personally, I air dry my hair. That always gives me the best results. And I'm going to come back to you guys so you can see what the finished look looks like. So this is what my hair looks like completely air dried. My curls are moisturized and defined. And you guys can find the products that I used at any Aveda salon store or online at aveda.com, which will be linked down below. So be sure to subscribe to the Aveda channel for more beauty and hair tutorials.